Alright folks, so I'm about to go for a drive to my favorite spot. It's like an hour away. Yeah, I'm out. I'll see y'all on the road. Some more power up ahead, folks! Oh, that nigga stopped. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck though? Oh. This nigga, I'm about to see if I can get him to do something. But he's stock though. Like he got lowers, that's it. Do it though. Whatever. You get in your lane, bro. Like, am I the only one who like looks in their rear view and see if like the other car's like in their lane? Why are there so many people fucking? It's a fucking. Fucking sober, whoa. Hold up, bruh. What the fuck is this Subaru? This shit nice as fuck. I wonder if they in there. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, this nigga, that's a fucking Blobeye too. No, what the, what the fuck? Hey, oh, that's yours? Yeah. Is this a Blobeye? Yeah. Dude, what year is it? What year is this one? 02. 02. Dude, this is nice, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
A lot of time fucking working on the motor and trans.
Damn.
Right now I'm pushing 409 to the wheel.
Oh, you said 409?
Yeah.
Damn. That's nice. Oh,
yeah, right now I'm going through a
I guess it was like meant to be.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. Shit was nice. Thank you, bro.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. Be safe. I'm about to go. Bro, that was random as shit. Bro, this was like so random. I didn't get a chance to like record this car because we was just talking. But yo, this was like friggin' random. Where the hell is my shit at? But it was like, where the hell is my Starbucks? Hello. I'm gonna get my keys. Keep thinking I left my keys in the car. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Yo, that was so fucking random, bruh. Damn, bruh. I fucking love this car shit, bruh. I wish he probably didn't. He probably thinks I'm a dude though. But yeah. See, that dude was nice. I ain't get the mean one this time. Someone help me, like, to stop cursing so much. And watch this idiot gonna get right up on my bumper and then switch. Why can't car enthusiasts be out this late? But yeah, I don't trust cars no more, bro. Cause like this dude had an old beat up Pontiac car, and it was a fucking undercover. Like he had the laptop and everything in there. Like I know what them laptops look like. My brother's, not my brother. my cousin, my other cousin, and my best friend, and my other friend, and my other friend is Popo, so I know what it look like. Why is he driving so slow? You suck. Alright, so hopefully you can see these are the back roads that we're on now. So hopefully nobody fucking comes, bro. It's like I seen Mustangs, but if I wasn't doing this shit, bro, I would have followed that fucking, did a U-turn and followed that Mustang, bro. Alright, so I got 50% battery left. I'm gonna find this car right quick. Y'all see this dance society? What the fuck? That shit nice as well. Oh. Sound like it's cammed. That shit sounds nice though. What the fuck? I'm gonna wait till he pull off. Bro, it's like really like no car enthusiasts out here. Like I'm seeing, it's like the only car enthusiast I saw was like the God damn. That shit sounds fucking great. This nigga funny, bruh. I'm trying to get him like taking off. This shit sounds nice, bro. You're alright, so I'm around my area, so I'm about to end it. If anything, I doubt anything will happen, but I'm out. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay driven. F cancer. Peace, and I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.